Hey everyone, check out the RONGTER 4-in-1 hot wire electric foam cutter kit designed for smooth and precise cutting. This FCC certified tool heats up quickly to 842 degrees Fahrenheit with interchangeable U and F-shaped tips for versatile use. It includes a 15-watt foam cutter, 5 replacement hot wires, multiple blade sizes, and a convenient carrying case. The metal support frame keeps the heated tip safe when resting, and the copper brush helps maintain the wire's cleanliness. Made with stainless steel and plastic, this cutter features overheat protection, a touch button, and LED light for added safety. It's perfect for cutting foam boards, pearl cotton, EVA, and more, but not suitable for plastic or memory foam. Ideal for crafting Halloween costumes, school projects, and professional model making, this kit offers excellent control and durability. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.